unanswered well. Hello.
I don't want to know.
Franklin!
What the fuck? I mean, what the hell going on here?
Wait a minute. Franklin, what are you doing here?
I live here. This half my house, too.
So you say? Anyway, Magenta is reinvigorating my femininity. So make yourself scarce. Boy, go. Go.
With pleasure.
Go.
Goodness.
And stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
Bitch, you ain't no more of a man than me.
I hear that.
Gangster shit, nigga! Look who's bazacked.
What's
at it
fool?
with it, man?
Oh, no, show some respect here, nigga. The man, they couldn't hold down his back. Come on now.
Damn, man. I gotta spend my day with another middle-aged fool trying to recapture his youth.
What this fool just say?
I missed you, dawg.
Oh, you miss me, huh?
Nah, I ain't missed you. Your ass could have stayed gone for good. So I fucked your girl, mugged your moms, and better yet, I ain't thought about your ass in years.
Ha ha. You got jokes now, huh? Hey, but I see you doing well for yourself. Check that on out.
Shit, I'm doing just fine.
That's what I hear. But I know some sweet boys up in the pen that got bigger balls than you.
Oh, you been doing your time looking at sweet boy balls?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's good to have confirmation.
This funny fuck. Why you keep hanging around this clown, L? Shake this fool,
We
man.
from the same set, Stretch. Why y'all niggas can't get along? Y'all been doing this shit for years, man.
You know what, dawg? It's good you back home. Glad you here. Missed you, boy. Damn, you definitely got hit up inside.
Hit up? Hey. Yo, motherfucker, I know little niggas like you been turned out on the daily. Talking about being hit up, nigga, I swear, man. You ain't got no motherfucking respect.
Motherfucker, I got respect for reality.
Reality? All right, you keep thinking that. Just keep thinking that, nigga. Shit, you gonna get yours.
Fuck you.
I swear, man.
Strizzets, come on, man. Cool
what the
out.
fuck,
Chill, man.
This motherfucker get on my goddamn
The
nerves.
nigga get on my nerves, too, man. But part of the nigga charm, man. F, come on, man. Let's just bust a move, man. You gonna drive or what, pimp?
Drive where?
Pick up this heat, nigga.
Why?
Business, nigga. Real business. Come on, bro. Y'all niggas act like girls. Shit.
Not me, shit. Let's go to the gun store.
Shit, homie. You gonna drop all that bread on that gear, you might as well get a haircut, too.
Fucking crazy-haired microphone motherfucker.
I got a microphone I can shove right in your prison pocket. Nigga, you walk like you keister and shit anyway.
You know, when I went away, you punks was little homies, and I was a big homie. Now I'm out, and you little homies is big homies. But you still gotta respect.
Man, what the fuck this nigga talking about?
We all big homies, but he bigger, right?
Exactly.
Man, that's some fucking pyramid scheme bullshit.
Pyramids is good, man. Illuminati pharaoh shit. Soon as we get this shit, as soon as we get paid, homie.
Soon as we get incarcerated, more likely.
Ammunition. Armorer to the stars.
Hey, what's up, man?
Firing range is in the back, and all our weapons are customizable.
Oh, hell yeah. You can trick your blam-blam out up in here.
Quit all that. Just straight up artillery, man, all right?
Hey, would y'all shut the fuck up? I got this, you clowns.
All right, homie, get some heat.
Hey, you got cash?
Oh, you flat, homie? I would think you was fiending, but ain't no fiends that fat. Take this cheese, you old broke-ass bitch.
Why the fuck am I the only one buying this?
Cause we got sheets, homie. Now shut the fuck up and come on.
You gonna buy that shit I don't know nothing about?
Hey, listen up. I want to be crystal fucking clear. Nothing he buying got anything to do with us.
Yeah, you know, we got felonies and we ain't touching shit.
I ain't even looking.
Now just let me reinstate, man, that the purchases made by this man ain't got nothing to do with the two gentlemen of felon nature.
That's right. Yeah.
Now let's go bust on some niggas. Take us down to that one spot where the baseheads be taking their cans at. You know, on Fringe in La Puerta.
like a candy store for adults, isn't it? Couldn't have picked better myself.
Back your ass up! That shit!
You got some cans or some shit I don't know about?
Nah, homie. We got ourselves a drug deal.
Why do I get the feeling this gonna be one of them deals gone wrong type situations?
Now see, that's that negative attitude Lamar was telling me about, nigga. You ain't getting nowhere thinking like that.
The power of positive bullshit. You ought to be clenching your motherfucking vagina muscles with my aunt, nigga.
After his bid, it probably needs tightening up.
This ain't new age shit, it's fact. You get what you give, fool.
You been getting dick, but you ain't giving it, huh?
Some Mark talk like that to an OG? CGF has changed, man. No wonder the hood is so lame right now.
Speaking of change, Lamar's been meaning to talk to you, homie.
Nah, not now, homie.
What's happening?
It's nothing, my nigga, nothing, you know. Just some ideas, that's all.
Man, ideas ain't your strong suit, so put it on me.
It's nothing real, homie. When it's something real, we'll talk.
Bullshit, man. It's realer than this crap.
Hey, we meeting them here.
Man, how'd you find this place?
The homie set it up.
It's the kind of spot where we ain't gonna be disturbed.
That's what the fuck worries me. I'm more of a hide in the plain sight type of nigga.
No, you more of a punk bitch type nigga.
What's up, fool?
What up with
We
it?
got that shit, nigga, with a paper at. Nigga, I'm talking about buku bills.
Lamar
boy.
Davis. What's up, boy? Everything cool?
Hold on, man. What the fuck, man? You was just kidnapping this nigga.
Oh, come on, dog. Don't real recognize real.
D, my nigga, just got out crossing lines, did some time with some of your folks.
Hey, look, this ain't about you, man.
What?
You know these niggas done
Yo, what the
fucked
fuck
up.
this trick talking about, man?
Yeah,
What's that?
Somebody
Somebody
see?
creeping on
They
us?
put a nigga on TV, man, about some gang intervention shit.
Hey, this ain't the police, dog. This some ballers bullshit.
Nigga, that's some
man.
bullshit.
Fuck you. What's up with
Hey, we
this
been
bull-
set up, nigga. This shit fucked up.
you, nigga.
Shit. Oh, bitch ass ballers.
We do it? This is what? Come on.
That's a nasty ass shot.
That fucking team set us up.
I said lay low after you got popped.
You ain't no motherfucker. That ain't me.
I can see that. Never fucking learn.
Cattle motherfuckers.
You got beat with us. It's 3-on-1 right now.
Now that you popped that little pump, we really fucked.
Man, you shouldn't have put me in the room with that snitch. Stay down.
Cover me, homie. I'ma hit this. Fuck.
This is fucked.
You going first next time, no fool.
Shit, nigga, then we all be dead.
Not me, nigga.
Your homie dead. Hey, baller, you the one getting hooked.
Man, back up! Dumbass baby G!
Never trust the baller, homie.
Never trust you is the lesson I'm taking away from this shit. Clowns, man. Fuck you!
Keep on smashing, let's go. Man, I don't want your clumsy ass falling down these stairs, fool. They was a safety hazard before blood got spilled all over the place. I'm right behind you.
Here again?
We do sports to get jumped.
Man, pop me and get it over. Send him back! Fuck you!
Yeah, shot.
See what's up ahead, homie. Let's do this. We ain't gonna run. Fuck that. Get out.
Man, I deserve to get food. Fuck! Earn him up! Nigga, get down or lay down! You see that shit? It's on fire, man! Alright, we gotta go then! This is fucked!
Lame ass baller, bitch.
Man, clap these fools!
You about to have a bunch of dead homies.
Never fucking learn. Fuck you! Man, back up!
They only got like 2 dudes left. You have that fool.
Yeah, and I'd handle him again. Many times as it takes. Shit. Come on, little homie. Let's do this.
Enough with all that shit. We on our way.
Shit, sorry. Mouse is here.
Clowns, man.
Bang this motherfucker.
You go first. Stay after me. Keep on smashing. Let's go.
There's the fire door. These motherfuckers on the sky, dog.
We ain't going nowhere with that chopper on us. Take it out. Hey, there's a lot over here. Damn, homie, watch that shit, fool. We almost there. 3 black males. I can see the finish line. Come on, homie. Fuck this.
Suspect sighted.
Up here. We almost stopped this shit. Move. We got to cross this heat.
You are impeding police activity.
You for real? Keep them rollers off us.
I wasn't here. I wasn't even in this state.
And watch that shit, homie. You gonna lose him or what? You want sad below it.
I ain't catching this. intelligent, homie. Nothing righteous about this shit. Acting like big dog.
You'll get BC'd up again, nigga. Man, leave us be, motherfucker.
Dispatch, perfect sight.
I wish I was in jail, not running with you, fool.
What the cops care about us getting away?
Hey, fool!
What was your daddy drinking when he skeet you out?
Slippy picked me up on the side of the road. That's the story, dig?
You gonna lose him or what? Ugly ass bitch. Man, I don't get the cop mentality. Man, leave us be, motherfucker. Man, stop driving all conspicuous and shit. That's it. That's it. We lost him. Now take us somewhere where we can get it in, homie.
Stand down. Code 4.
Where you are.
Oh, shit! Snitch!
International Airport.
Ocean 1, we can get that.
Come on, man. Jerk.
Hey, what the hell you walked me into back there?
Shit, man, you the one popped his ass.
I did the necessary.
Yeah, thank you for that, dawg.
This all on you, LD, lanky dumbass.
Me? Hey, I ain't know the fools was gonna roll on us.
If you started something with the ballers, shit, I don't care if you CGF for life, man. You done. Done, you dig?
Actually, we ain't CGL for life, cause all that means is we giving you money for nothing. We got our own shit now, homie. Foreign gangsters.
Oh, no, he don't mean that, Lo. F just talking out the side of his neck.
I'ma reach cross lines, alright? Conversate with the purple homies.
Yeah, that's a good idea, man. Smart shit.
But if I gotta hang you assholes out for this, the gang comes first.
Oh, it ain't gonna come to that, homie. You all diplomatic and shit.
Yeah, he a real fucking diplomat, ain't he? This that peace-talking motherfucker we should have sent to the Middle East. Fuck. No wonder I want to get out of here.
No one's stopping you, little homie.
You fucking loser.
I'm still mad with you.
Oh, you see that fool?
Fool. No count asshole. Here we are, man. You gonna hang with your auntie while the men break it off.
Shut the fuck up.
Hell no, nigga. You sounding more and more like a snee-eye itch every day.
Hell
Nah,
yeah.
nigga, I sound like somebody trying to make some paper and not get killed.
He's a hook-ass nigga, I told you.
Nigga, go toss a salad, stretch mark ass bitch.
Fucking buster.
Hey, man. Tracy. Yo. Amanda! Amanda! You better not be! Not in my house.
Fuck you, Michael. Go away!
I'm paying that turd $150 an hour to fuck my wife in my own bed?
Michael, go away!
No, I'm sorry, bro. She said you had an arrangement.
You and I are gonna have an arrangement. I'm gonna arrange your fucking funeral.
I'm really sorry, bro. I'll comp the session. I promise.
You are dead, man! Fuck! Dead! Come here! Ah! Fuck, man.
Hey, you! Stop it!
What's up, man?
Get out of my way.
Michael, calm down.
What the fuck is going on?
Nothing happened. It was a misunderstanding.
She fucked a prick in my bed.
You bullshitting
It
me.
wasn't like that.
You in?
Fuck it, I'm in. Let's roll. Let's get this motherfucker.
Just don't kill him!
This truck yours?
The guy's doing some work for me. He'll get it back. Might have a dead body to do it. He'll get it back.
Oh, so we killing this dude.
You wish he was dead. Is that a problem?
Shit, dog shit shitting another dog's kennel.
Exactly. People with shit. Oh, shit! Shitting in my kennel too long. Shit! We're losing him!
Fuck, man, I think we lost his ass.
He lives somewhere up in the canyon. We'll find him. Where the fuck is he? Okay, this is the turn.
Hey, he in one of these fucking houses.
Yeah, keep your eye out. He's left his car. Check it out. Little prick's up there. Look.
Oh, shit. Coach doing all right for himself.
Hey! Asshole! You ran off before we could settle our debts!
Michael, bud! You got the wrong idea, man!
They think the world owes them a living. There's a winch in the back of the truck. Tied a cable to one of those supports up there.
You finna pull his deck down?
Hey, that prick pulled my marriage down.
Man, you really gonna be this fucking dramatic?
Yeah, whatever.
I told you I'd comp the session, bud!
Well, there were a lot of freaking sessions, bud! I'm thinking you were working on more than just her backhand!
Mandy's backhand has come a long way, bro. But sometimes it's gotta get worse to get better.
Yeah, well, maybe I should come up there and practice my backhand! On your face!
Oh, bud, your negative energy is seriously bringing me down.
Oh, I hope it is, bud!
We hooked up, man.
You come into my house, take my money, and nail my wife? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm gonna stick up my hand and say that was uncool, bud. My bad. Seriously.
How fucking magnanimous! May I please offer you my applause? You fucking motherfucker!
Dude!
And we'll see how you like it when someone fucks with your shit!
Well, hey, wait! You got the wrong idea, pal! Whoa! Fuck!
Here we go! Let's see what happens!
Ooh, you are probably right. Oh, shit. Sorry, damn, you went already. Ooh, give it some. Man, I think that shit's coming down, man. Man, fucking drop it. Oh, fuck.
Fucking A! Let's see how he liked that!
Whoa, man. Fuck.
Fuck him! And fuck his deck!
Hey, homie. I think you put a little more than a deck down.
That's a foolish man who builds his house on sand, baby.
Hey, man, I don't think my boy Matthew was thinking trucks when he wrote that shit.
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Give me a phone! You! You're a dead one! Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give you green light!
Oh, I'm scared, lady. Just fucking terrified. Green light! Green light! Madrazo! Fuck you!
Whoa. Oh. Martin? Martin Madrazo? Hey, man, that's some mean-looking motherfucking essays right behind him.
Oh, that was quick. All right, help me deal with this.
I'll try, man. Try. You brag. Fuck, man, these assholes are mean.
Shit, man. Get rid of it.
We got a hook, man. Go.
Watch the fuck out, will ya? All right, we managed to lose them? All right, now.
Hey, let's go. Let's leave them behind.
All right.
Push the pedal, man. We gotta move. We got a book, man. Go.
Ice that motherfucker. I'm reloading.
If these are Mark Madrazo's boys, man, it's a lot more where they came from.
How much distance we have between us?
Hey, let's go. Let's leave them behind.
Come on, kid.
This a misunderstanding, motherfucker.
You wanna talk? Let's do it!
Pop that dude! There you go!
Come on!
Hey, fuck off!
Where are we on this?
You got this, Michael?
Shoot that gun, kid! That's what it's for!
Hey, how you doing over there?
Right, we need to move.
I wasn't expecting this shit when I came over here.
We gotta get going. Floor it.
I'm guessing we ain't lost them yet.
All right, lose them.
They following us. I think you slipped them, man.
Okay, we go back to my house and think about this. Wow, shit. You did good. I mean, your aim's all over the place, but you were a help.
Thanks. I guess.
Hey, don't get defensive. Go to a shooting range, work on your aim. You'll do fine.
Oh, fuck, man. Shit, you good?
Fine as wine. Got a few knocks. You okay? I mean, you did good, kid.
Man, I'm cool, man. I mean, you. Mental.
Mental? Mentally? Oh, man, I'm fucking excellent. My heart ain't pumped like that in years. Oh, yes! Fucking A, Bubba!
Man, you sound kind of manic.
What?
Hey, you sound kind of manic. You just been greenlit by the Mexican underworld ambassador to Los Santos.
Trust me, we handled it. Whoever the fuck Martin Madrazo is, I've known worse.
We just handled a few low-ranking clients.
We sit on it, we see what happens. Kid, there's no use second-guessing. Felt good, man. Woo! Shit! Woo! Yeah, doing something for a change. Ha!
Man, you know what? You are wasted sitting by that fucking pool, man.
Whew. Hey, thanks for the help out there today, kid. I had no idea it was gonna get that hot.
Shit, pulling houses off the hillside sure has a weird way of fucking with people.
Yeah, well, I thought I was through with all that shit. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Oh shit, I think we're about to find out.
You know who I am? Do you know who I am? Do you?
No. Well, you? You?
I think so.
Good. I know who you are. I know where you live. Who are you?
I'm Franklin.
License. Now, Franklin, maybe help Mr. DeSanta here. Who am I?
I think Martin Madrazo.
Good boy. Now maybe give him a little of a background.
Man, Mr. Madrazo is a legitimate businessman who was wrongfully accused of running a Mexican-American gang and a narcotic ring, but the charges were dropped because of the witnesses came up missing.
Smart kid. Now, Michael, got a question for you. What did you pull an architectural, significant, modernist wonder home down the hillside in Vinewood Hills?
I thought the owner was banging my wife.
Well, that was a strange house for a tennis coach.
I wasn't thinking straight.
Clearly.
Yeah.
Well, Natalia will need a hotel while you finance the rebuild, won't she?
Sure.
Good. And I'm guessing here that the rebuild will be somewhere in the 2.5 million range?
Of course.
Great.
That's nice.
Come on, man. Damn, you all right?
Never better.
So what now?
Looks like I'm gonna have to postpone my retirement. Fuck. Ah, man, I'm mortgaged up to my eyeballs. Look, I only know one way to make money. I'm gonna have to give an old friend a call. Lester. I think he's in town somewhere. gonna have to track him down. Just give me a little alone time, all right?
All right, dawg.
Hello. Is this still the number for Lester Crest?
Who's asking?
Who's asking? Who's asking?
You're awful cagey. Even for a dead man, Michael.
Ooh, you don't sound good, buddy.
Tactful and charming even in death. Come see me, old friend. I'm living in Los Santos, just like you. Murrieta Heights.
Whoa, wait. Hey, how do you... Hello? You fucker. Doc, hey.
Michael, I'm looking through my appointment book and I don't see your name.
Yeah, well, I'm more of a walk-in guy, Doc. You know that.
Walk-ins are more expensive, but I'm always happy to accommodate.
Sure, you'll accommodate me as long as I got money in my pocket, right? Hey, I'm in a bad way, Doc. I might come by soon.
Martin Madrasso? What the fuck I get myself into?
Some people have all the money in the house.
You'll be on your desk first thing tomorrow morning.
I used to love you, Tony. How dare you point that thing at me?
Stop with the emotions. You don't love me. You love what I represent. You love being the...
Dude, do you even have a penis? Or are you one of those hermaphrodites born without genitals?
Tricks up our sleeves, huh?
Same. I'm just a nightclub singer with a broken heart. I still love you, Tony.
Get hold of yourself. You're in over your head and you're up there.
Damn. Jimmy! God damn it. The fuck you doing?
Nothing.
Really? Because I keep hearing hermaphrodite this, a cock that.
Go away.
What?
You know, go watch your linear entertainment. Go watch porn. Just go away.
Shit.
Fuck you! What the fuck?
Disrespectful little asshole!
I can't believe you did that! That's my TV!
You don't talk to me like that!
I can't believe you... Mom was right about you. You don't know any better and you can't help it, but you're an asshole.
Yeah, well, why don't you do something then? Besides just stand there. Why don't you hit me?
Is that what you want, to be hit by your son?
Yeah! No! I just want you to do something. Besides, sit there, eating!
Yeah, great. Thanks for the fucking guidance, Dad. It means a lot.
Wait. I'm just trying to help you.
Yeah, well, nothing says I love you like smashing my fucking TV. Nothing at all.
I'm sorry. I just wish we could do things together.
Yeah, what things?
I don't know. Go for walks, play ball.
You know I have bad glands.
Yeah. Bike ride then.
Bike ride? You want to go on a fucking bike ride? Fine, fine, let's go on a fucking bike ride.
Fuck me.
A bike ride along Vespucci Beach? Okay, Dad, I got just the thing to show you. This day was going so well until you showed up. You know that? Ugh!
Yeah, well, you're lucky to even be allowed out of the house after that boat stunt.
What's the big deal? Shit! If anything goes wrong, you can just fake your death and start all over. If I'm hanging with you, I'm listening to my music. Fuck yeah, I'm a jam. How am I meant to develop my own moral sensibilities when yours are so unbelievably fuck-faced?
Don't push me.
Seriously, some guys borrow your boat.
Borrow? You were hiding in the head crying kidnap.
They just took receipt of your property with payment pending.
If it was anything other than what you told me, then that's on you.
All right, they fucking stole it. And who knows what they would have done if they found me. But I didn't expect or want them to get killed.
You think I'm gonna let some guys ride off with my son?
Look, I knew you were a bad guy, but...
Oh, a bad guy.
A crook, a killer, a thief, a liar.
I guess I've been all those things one time or another, right? It's just...
What?
I always thought I was the good guy.
God help the morally bankrupt planet your generation have left us if you're the good guy.
Yeah.
Anyway, I always knew you were the kind of person who didn't let other people get in the way, but I hadn't, like, seen that happen before.
Yeah, well, that's me, Jim. And I've been trying my best to get things under control for the last 10 years. But that was an extreme fucking situation, and I had to act.
A normal person wouldn't have done that.
Yeah, well, I had to. To protect you.
Yeah, keep telling yourself that when you see their faces every time you close your eyes.
Freak me out.
Here we are, at the bike rental place. Please don't shoot the bike rental guy out of, like, force of habit.
Hey, you! 2 bikes.
Take your pick.
I'll take this one.
If I make it to the end of the pier first, you're gonna buy me a big-ass new flat screen.
Me cago en la leche.
Into the pier? All right. But if I beat you, you're gonna behave like a human being.
What the hell?
How you doing?
What in the... Jesus!
Jesus! What's up? Cool!
What the fuck, dude? Goodness gracious!
Jōrە!
Whew! That's it. Number 1, pal. You owe me a TV.
Hey, I never agreed to that.
You know, this is real nice, Dad. Bonding, good times.
Yeah, well, I'm giving it my best shot. Hey, we're having fun, right?
You wouldn't know fun if it sat on your face.
Ah, come on.
I mean, why do I have to hold your hand through this whole midlife crisis bullshit? And why don't you stick your nose up Tracy's butt sometime?
Because Tracy doesn't buy cars she can't afford so that thugs break in our house. Tracy doesn't get kidnapped or destroy my yacht.
Well, that's just because she's too busy getting fucked by dudes to get on TV.
You don't talk about your sister that way.
Well, I'm sorry, but it's true. I mean, according to her Life Invader page, she's hanging out with producers and porno guys this afternoon.
What are you talking about?
Actually, it's all happening right out there.
What?
That boat that makes yours look like a refugee raft? You know the kind of boat, the one that makes a young, impressionable girl drop her pants and spread her legs.
This is the reason you brought me here, isn't it? You fuck.
Ah! Dad, wait! Fuck. Don't say it.
Thank you. I'm a dancer, yeah.
Hey, man, change. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Come on, sweetheart. I'm taking you out of here.
Dad, you're embarrassing me. These are my friends.
Yeah, you're embarrassing her, dude.
They're shooting porno here.
They shoot porno all over town. Mom rented our house to them last summer.
That was
What?
your house?
Yeah.
Man, you got a killer pad, Mr.
Isn't it awesome?
Let's go.
If those walls could talk.
You think I do it?
Hey!
No!
Hey!
Shit,
Ain't cool,
Daddy.
man.
What are you doing? Hey!
Fuck, man! I like him!
Problem.
You're such a jerk!
Come on!
Dad, you dumbass! These guys are serious!
Yeah, well, so am I. Go to the seat of my fucking boat! Oh, motherfuckers! Get on! Now! I'm about to skin you alive! God damn it! Go!
OMG! They're coming! Go into that outlet!
If you say so, Trace.
F off or my dad will like cap one of your asses! Head in the tunnel! Yes, let's do it! I want to be humiliated even more. The outlet! Come on! That tunnel! Daddy, you just killed him!
Maybe he's just injured.
Stop chasing us and help Blake! Run, okay? My dad's gone crazy! You killed them! Oh my god, this isn't happening!
Take a deep breath, baby. It's okay. I'm taking you back to your brother.
There he is! Jimmy, you D-bag! I see that traitor! Jimmy! Jimmy! I'm an accessory to murder!
No, you're not. You're an accessory to self-defense.
Have I, like, got to be a witness because I like, did some blow? You! You fucking asshole! Ah!
He's the fucking asshole, okay? He smashed my TV and he took me to the beach. The beach with my skin.
So what, you sent him out to spoil my day too?
I didn't know that he was gonna come get you. I just told him where you were. You know, he got that crazy look in his eyes, you know, like he gets sometimes, and he just went.
I'm getting a cab.
Coming with you.
How about I just drive us home?
You ruined my life.